I'm going to show you how to connect your PC to your TV. First thing first, you plug in your PC in. And then you plug in the VGA to HDMI. Plug the VGA port to your PC. Once that's connected, finally connect your HDMI to your TV. Just like this. And then you turn on your PC. Then turn on your TV. Make sure you change the input. You plug the HDMI input. Change the input. Otherwise it's not working. Don't forget to connect your keyboard to your PC. You connect it right here. And your mouse. You connect it right here. So this is how you connect your PC to your TV. Like and subscribe to my channel if the videos helpful.